Welcome to this educational series on understanding taxes. In this video, you'll learn about the fundamental purpose of taxes and discover what government services they fund. Taxes are an essential part of modern society, and understanding why they exist helps us appreciate the benefits they bring to our communities and nation. Taxes are mandatory financial contributions collected by governments from individuals and businesses. These contributions are used to fund public services and infrastructure that benefit everyone in society. Think of taxes as a collective investment where everyone contributes according to their means, and in return, receives access to essential services that would be impossible for individuals to provide on their own. Taxes serve four primary purposes in society. First, they fund government operations, ensuring that federal, state, and local governments can function effectively. Second, they build public infrastructure like roads, bridges, and utilities. Third, taxes provide social services that support vulnerable populations and enhance quality of life. Finally, they promote economic equality by redistributing wealth and providing opportunities for all citizens regardless of their economic background. Your tax dollars fund numerous essential services that you use every day. Healthcare systems, including public hospitals and medical programs, rely on tax funding. Education from elementary schools to public universities is supported by taxes. Law enforcement agencies protect our communities and maintain order. Emergency services like firefighters and paramedics respond to crises. National defense keeps our country secure. All these services would not exist without the collective contribution of taxpayers. A significant portion of tax revenue goes toward building and maintaining infrastructure. Roads and highways that we drive on daily are constructed and repaired using tax dollars. Bridges and tunnels connect communities and facilitate commerce. Public transportation systems like buses, trains, and subways make cities accessible to everyone. Utilities and power infrastructure ensure we have electricity, water, and sewage systems. Without tax funding, our modern infrastructure would quickly deteriorate. Taxes also fund crucial social welfare programs that create a safety net for citizens. Retirement benefits provide financial security for seniors who have contributed to society throughout their working lives. Housing assistance helps low-income families afford safe places to live. Food security programs ensure that no one goes hungry. Unemployment support provides temporary assistance to those who have lost their jobs. These programs demonstrate how taxes help create a more compassionate and stable society. Understanding the tax revenue cycle helps clarify how your contributions make a difference. First, citizens and businesses pay taxes based on their income and activities. Next, the government collects these funds through various agencies. Finally, the government allocates and delivers services back to the community. This cycle creates a continuous flow where your tax contributions directly translate into tangible benefits that improve your daily life and the lives of others in your community. Let's recap the key points. Taxes fund essential public services that we all use and depend on every day. They build and maintain critical infrastructure that keeps our society functioning smoothly. Taxes support social welfare programs and promote economic stability for all citizens. Most importantly, taxes represent investments in our collective future, ensuring that the next generation inherits a strong, functioning society. Understanding this helps us appreciate the vital role taxes play in creating the world we live in.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.